Marketing isn't all about acquiring new customers. One of the greatest assets in your company is your current customers. How you leverage your current customer base is key to driving your business forward. Did you know that it's far more cost-effective to sell to existing customers? After all, you've already done the hard work and invested money in attracting them to your business. Also, existing customers are more likely to buy from you than someone who doesn't know you. But make sure you take care of your customers. Research by the Rockefeller Foundation indicates that 68% of customers leave a supplier because they feel unappreciated, unimportant, and taken for granted. Now, I'd like to introduce a concept to you that is important. It's customer lifetime value. This gives you an idea of how much repeat business you can expect from existing customers. It also helps you decide how much you could spend to attract more customers like them. The customer lifetime value is based on how much a customer spends with you and how often they buy. Let's use an example to explain it. Think of someone who is a member of a gym. The gym owner knows that other similar customers spend on average £20 per month on their membership. And the gym owner also knows that this person is likely to stay a member for 3 years. With this information, the gym owner can work out the customer lifetime value. £20 spent every month for a year, so multiply by 12 months. And this person stays a member for 3 years, so multiply by 3 equals £720. That works out at £240 per year. Now the gym owner knows that their business is going to get £240 from customers like this every year for 3 years. The gym owner can therefore spend up to £240 to get a new member, maybe even offer a free starter membership. After all, the business is going to gain a benefit over the 3 years, so it's worth spending a little more at the start to acquire new customers. This means that you may have more money available for marketing than you thought. You can be more creative in your promotional offers. It also means that you have greater flexibility in dealing with customer problems and in how much you can spend to solve a problem. You can also make better decisions on how and where to spend your marketing money and how much you can spend on nurturing current customers. Work out your customer lifetime value. You'll find it very useful.